Need to find an old email, but Gmail shows thousands and thousands of results? Most people don't know the search tricks that make it so easy. In today's video, I'll show you how to find old emails in Gmail fast. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. There are 3 ways to search for old emails in Gmail quickly. The first way is to use search operators. Search operators are the fastest way to target specific timeframes. To find emails from before a certain date, so let's say I want to find an email from before New Year's Day this year in 2026. In the search bar at the top, type in before, 2026/01/01, which is in the format year/month/day, and the results will be displayed. If you want to search for email, let's say after Christmas Day of 2025, type in the search bar after, 2025/12/25 in the format year/month/day. So to narrow down the search period between Christmas last year and New Year's Day this year, you just have to combine both search operators by typing in after, 2025/12/25 space before, 2026/01/01, and your results will be displayed. The second way is to search by age. So let's say you don't know the exact date, but you can type in the search bar older_than:1Y for emails older than 1 year. You can replace the Y with M for months and D for days. The third way is to check all mail and archive manually. Your inbox only shows recent or pinned emails, and your archive messages are still safely stored in your Gmail, but hidden from the main view. On the left column of your Gmail, click on More. Click on All Mail. Here it will display all the mail that exists in your mailbox. Then you can click on Advanced Search at the top to filter by the parameters listed here. Any information that you can remember about the email that you are trying to retrieve is important, so you can type it in here. For example, if it contains any specific words, or if you were trying to look for an email that has an attachment, you can check the box here and click on Search to get your results. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and